Normally, the marigolds produce flowers in about 4 weeks after planting. How to make plants bloom more for a long time? The method involves growing marigold plants from cuttings. Take small cuttings from new growth. Do not take cuttings which have flower buds. Take a pot and fill it with a free draining, nutrition rich soil. Add some cow manure or compost to make soil nutrition rich and mix some river sand to make the soil free draining. Mix soil, manure and sand in the ratio 40-40-20%. Make a small hole in the soil. Dampen soil and plant the cuttings. Water the plants. Place the pot in bright shade at a warm place. You will see new growth in 4-5 days and flower buds in about 10 days. If your marigold is not blooming, then follow the tips given next. The tips will also ensure your plants get more blooms and they will keep flowering. Tip 1, sunlight. The plant should get at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. Tip 2, fertilizer. Over fertilizing or fertilizer high in nitrogen will produce more leaves and fewer flowers. Add cow manure in soil and feed fertilizer high in potassium to force more blooms. I feed a liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks to produce more flowers of larger size. Tip 3, watering. Water only when the top 1 inch soil gets dry. Overwatering or underwatering will produce less flowers. Tip 4, deadheading. Remove the spent flowers regularly to encourage continuous blooming for a long time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.